activity indicator Snapchat. So where to find it? So here I can just show you an example. So basically, if I just go to these profiles, you can see that just in the bottom right of the avatar here in the just in the image, you will see there is a green bubble. So it means this person is online. If you go to some other profile, you'll see there is no green bubble and this person is not online. So that's how I understand you see this activity indicator, and then you see here there is no green bubble. So that's how you see it. That's one of the easiest ways. It's not reflected in the chat anywhere. Again, if you see this person is online, you will also, when you start chatting, yeah, okay, in the chat you also can see it. So that's just what it is. So you just see it here on their friend profile. There is a small green bubble.